For the past 4 years, we have not seen any significant design changes in Apple iPhones, but this year appears to be different. The first look at the iPhone 16 has been revealed, and in this video, I will go over the major upgrades coming to the iPhone 16. So make sure to watch the video until the end. Remember the iPhone 11? Apple included a new camera layout in its design. With the iPhone 12, they kept the camera design, but the sides of the phones became flat, reminiscent of Steve Jobs' iPhone 4. We have seen the same design in iPhones 13, 14, and 15, where the cameras shifted from vertical to diagonal orientation. The cameras on the iPhone 16 will now be vertically aligned, as they were on the iPhone 12. The two rear cameras will be part of the same camera island, with a smaller camera bump, while the front dynamic island will be the same as the iPhone 15. The backplate appears to be completely flat, as expected, and so do the sides. The sides will have a slight curve towards the edges for added comfort, similar to the iPhone 15. And the device will once again be made out of aluminum and glass. According to recent reports, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro Max are expected to have larger battery capacities than current models. The iPhone 16 will have a 6% larger battery, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max's battery capacity may increase by 5%. However, the same source claims that the iPhone 16 Plus will have a battery that is approximately 9% smaller. In addition, the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will include last year's Pro feature, the Action button, which will replace the Alert slider. iPhone batteries are known to be among the best in smartphone batteries. In fact, even in 2023, MKBHD awarded the iPhone 15 series as the best battery phone. However, it's surprising to see a battery downgrade in the iPhone 16 Plus, especially considering that the base iPhone and the Plus model are launched with identical specs. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Techtics, signing off.